Today we're learning how to back up your Kiml Wallet to Google Drive, so your crypto is always safe and recoverable. This is the Kiml Wallet home screen, where you can see all your wallets. To reach the backup feature, tap the hamburger menu icon in the top left corner. This opens the side navigation drawer. From the drawer, select Settings. The Settings page shows all your account options. Scroll down past the account and security sections to find the wallet settings section at the bottom. Tap Backup Wallets to continue. The Backup Wallets screen now shows your wallets ready to be backed up. Main wallet is already selected. Tap the blue Backup Selected button to begin. A backup warning dialog appears. Read it carefully. It says, "This is not a foolproof backup. You are responsible for keeping your recovery phrase safe. Google Drive backup is for convenience only. Tap I understand to continue." Next, an important step dialog appears. Pay close attention. It gives you a preview of the Google permissions screen coming up. Notice the checkbox that reads, "See, create, and delete its own configuration data in your Google Drive." You will need to check this box in the next step. Without it, the backup will fail. Tap I understand, continue to proceed. The Choose an Account screen opens, showing all the Google accounts linked to your device. Simply tap the Gmail account you'd like to use for storing your backup. This is the most important step. You'll see the Kiml Wallet permissions screen from Google. Look for the checkbox next to "See, create, and delete its own configuration data in your Google Drive." Make sure this checkbox is checked. This is what allows Kiml Wallet to store your encrypted backup securely. Without it, the backup will not work. Check the box, then tap Continue. And you're done. A green Backup Successful notification confirms. Your wallets have been safely backed up to Google Drive. You'll also notice a profile icon has appeared in the top right corner. Use that to manage or delete your backup whenever needed. To manage your backup, tap the profile icon in the top right corner of the Backup Wallet screen. A panel slides down showing your connected Google account, along with two options: Delete Backup and Logout. If you tap Delete Backup, a confirmation dialog appears. This will permanently remove all wallet backup files from Google Drive, but your local wallets on this device are completely unaffected. To confirm, type the word "confirm" in the input field, then tap Yes. After confirming, you'll see the backup deleted notification. All wallet backup files have been permanently removed from Google Drive. Your local wallets on this device remain completely unaffected. Alternatively, if you chose Logout from the profile panel, you'll see the Logged Out Successfully confirmation. The Backup Selected button returns, ready whenever you want to back up to a different Google account. And that's everything you need to know about backing up Kiml Wallet to Google Drive. Thanks for watching.